Hello friends, welcome back to EduBlends. Today I am going to discuss about another tricky video. So let's start. First of all, I will teach you the base method, calculation multiplication magic by base method. Then I will separately discuss few special cases. So with this technique you can solve within 5 second max to max. Let's see, suppose I'm taking 395. So this is the answer. So you can do also calculate. This is the advanced level problem. We will discuss step by step. First step we will discuss with the base 100, and after that we will discuss, we will take we will increase the we will take the base multiple of 100, and accordingly we will change the base and try to eliminate, like base of this number is 200 and base of this number is 400. So likewise we will discuss one after another. Let's see. So first of all, type 1. We are considering base 100 here, okay? Base method, base 100. Base 100 of type 1, okay? So first of all, we are taking 104 into 107. See this number, how you will calculate this kind of number basically. So let's check. 104. So this is how much? This is 100 plus 4, and this is 100 plus 7. Now either you will take like this or you will take like this, it's your choice. So I am taking like this or this, answer will be same. So write 104 plus 7, that is 111, and now we will have to multiply this too. If we multiply plus 4 into plus 7, then we will get 28, plus 28. So if as base is 100, we will have to write 100 plus 28. So answer will be 11128. This will be the answer. Now see, the both number is greater than 100 or near about greater than 100. As these numbers are near about 100, so we are taking 100 base. Now moving to the next step, both the number is less than 100, like we are taking 89 into, let's say, 98. 89 into 98. See, 89, this is how much? 11 less than 100, so minus 11. This is how much? 2 less than 100, so this one will be, if we cross multiply this, so sorry, either we are taking this way or this way, okay? So 89 minus 2, what? 89 minus 2, 87, and now what we'll have to do? 11 into 2, 22. Now see, 22, both the sign is minus, so minus 11 into minus 2 plus 22. So you need to add 8722. This will be the answer. Now type 3, this is the type 2 problem. Now moving to the third category, that is type 3. Type 3. Now one number is less than 100 and the other number is greater than 100, like 98 into, say, 105, okay? Now 98, this is 100 minus 2, and now 105, this is 100 plus 5. Now you can subtract 2 from 105, or you can add 5 from 98. So we are taking this or this, whatever you can, we are taking this, say 103 00, and now you need to multiply this two. Now minus 2 into plus 5, what? Minus 10. So you need to subtract the number 10. So answer will be 10290. So this much. If we calculate first, then it will obtain this within 5 seconds. These are the three types. These are the three types of base 100. Now you can calculate any number near about 100. Now type 2, category 2, we are discussing about three types of category 1, that is base 100. Now base is multiple of 100 like 200, 300, 400 or 150, 250, 350. Let's see how to solve this kind of problems. Suppose now category 2, base is multiple of 100. Okay, we are taking multiple of 100, like we are using say 207 into let's say 212. Okay, we are using this. So 207 212, same method. What you need to do, you just need to multiply to the number which is multiple of 100. Like here base is 200, which is multiple of 2 into 100. So what we do, this is plus 7, this is plus 12. Now what we need to do, see, same method, but before that you need to multiply. If we are considering this number or this number, like we are going this way, say, then what we need to do, we need to do 207 into 2, as the base is 200. So 207 into 2, what? 414. Okay, now 414, and this number will also get multiplied by 2. Like this whole part is multiplied by 2, this whole part is multiplied by 2. Like this one 414 and multiple of this 2, 24. Add this 2, 4 3 8, simple. Then after that 0 0, same method, 7 into 12, 84, and plus sign will be 4 3 8 8 4. This will be the answer. Simple. Now if we consider, if we go further and take both the number less than 200 and accordingly both the number one number is less than 200 and one number is greater than 200, then the method will be same as I have discussed earlier, but you need to multiply this by the 2 or 3 accordingly as per the base. Now type 3, moving to the type 3. This is different base multiplication. Different base multiplication. See, we'll have to multiply of different way, like 203 into 307, like this kind of numbers. What we need to do, see, like this is plus 3, 200 plus 3, and this is 300 base plus 7. What we need to do, this is 100 into 3, 300 base. So you need to multiply this number into 3, the whole number into 3, or if we consider this, the whole number multiply by 2. Okay, now calculate. What if we are going like this or this, whatever we can take. Say we are going like this, this. Now what? You need to multiply both number by 3. So this into 3, what? This into 3, 609. Okay. Now 2 into 7, 14 plus 14, like 623, 0, like base is multiple of 100, like, and now plus 3 into plus 7 plus 21. So answer will be 62321. This will be the answer. Like you can take anything. I have discussed one problem earlier, like one is greater than 200 or 300, one is less than 300 or 200. Like you can take that base as well. Like the same method, the first 3 type I have discussed, you can apply it in both 3 categories. Like the first category I have discussed, that is base 100, and the second category, that is multiple of base 100 but the same base, and the third category, that is different base multiplication. Okay, now one point is left out. I need to discuss one point, that is one simple point. If the number is near the base 150, 250, 350, what you need to do? Nothing. You need to do, you need to just multiply with that number. Like if base is 150, just simply multiply that number with 1.5. Take 1.5, not that number, the other number, what with which you are multiplying. Okay, and if base is 250, just take 2.5, like this. For 303, for 350, multiply the other number with 3.5, like that. Okay, these are the all about multiplication method, and now I will take some special cases to discuss the few categories, and after that in the next video I will discuss how you can multiply any number, 4 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, any number, any digit number to any digit number within one line. I am assuring you, within one line. It take less time to calculate. Okay, let's move to the special category. Now I divide the special cases into specially 3 categories, like category 1. First of all, category 1. What category 1 is describing? Sum of unit digit is 10, like and remaining is constant. We can take 43 into 47. See, sum of unit digits 10 and remaining constant 4. So what we can do, obtain this kind of problems answer. Like what we have to do, 4, like first digit is 4, you need to do 4 into 4 plus 1. Okay, and simple multiply this number 3 into 7. So you will get the answer like this: 4 into 5, 20, and 3 into 7, 21. The answer would be 21. So you can obtain any kind of any answer. Like now see, like 54 into 56, 5 into 6, 30, 4 into 6, 24. Like these are the answers. You can obtain in 2 seconds. Even in 2-3 seconds you can obtain the answer. So moving to the next category. Sum of tens digit is 10 and unit digits are same. Like example, unit digit are same, 3, 3, let's say 6, 4. What is the answer? What will be the answer? Now what we need to do? We need to multiply this 2. We need to multiply this 2. 6 into 4 plus unit digit 3. This is the one part, and the another part is 3 into 3. Like, and you need to write in it 2 digit number 09. If 3 into 3 is 9, we need to write 09, not only 9. If 4 into 4, then 16. Okay, 2 digit number. Then moving further, 6 into 24, 24 plus 3, 27 and 09. This will be the answer. You can get any kind of any answer, like for example we can take 2, 2, 8, 2. What will be the answer? Unit digit same and the tens digit number is sum of 10. Then what we need to do? 8 into 2 plus 2. This is the one part, and the another part is 2 into 2, that is 04. The answer will be 8 into 2, 16 plus 2, 18, 04. This will be the answer. Now moving to the special case type 3. Like unit digit is 5 and the difference is 10, like 65 into 75, like 85 into 95. So what we need to do? We just have to write 6 into 7 plus 1 and directly 75. What we need to do? We are multiplying the smaller number with the tens digit of larger number plus 1, like 6 into 7 plus, in this case 8 into 9 plus 1, and this is directly 75, nothing else. Now the answer will be 6 into 48, 75. This will be the answer, and in this case 80, 75 will be the answer. These are the answers, and I would like to add two more things of special cases, like first one is square. I am rubbing it. Square. First of all, we can obtain the square by base method as well, like 102 square. Using base method we can obtain this, plus 2 plus 2, we can add this to 104 into 04. This will be the answer. Another number is square of any number ending with 5, like 75 square or like 85 square, like this kind of numbers. What you need to do? You just need to write 7 into 7 plus 1, and you need to write 5 is equal to 5 into 5, like 7 into 8, 56, and 5 into 5, 25. This will be the answer. And next one, 85, like 8 into 8 plus 1, 5 into 5, 8 into 9, 72, 5 into 5, 25. So this will be the answer. So you can apply all these methods and experience more faster calculation like a calculator. So if you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe to the video and share with your friends. Okay, so and you can check the description, the link is there. If you have any kind of any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can ask me in the Instagram and the Facebook as well. So go and check out the description.